Crash Course on German Politics, an examination of Germany's political system, including its democratic institutions, parties, and current issues. Certainly, here's a crash course on German politics. Germany is a federal parliamentary republic with a president as the ceremonial head of state and a chancellor as the head of government. The political system in Germany is characterized by a multi-party system and a decentralized federal structure. The current political landscape is dominated by the center-right Christian Democratic Union, CDU, and its sister party, the Christian Social Union, CSU, and the center-left Social Democratic Party, SPD. The Greens and the Free Democratic Party, FDP, also play important roles in German politics. One interesting aspect of German politics is the country's history of division and reunification. Following World War II, Germany was divided into two separate states, with the Federal Republic of Germany in the west and the German Democratic Republic in the east. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 and subsequent reunification in 1990 were monumental events in German history that had significant political implications. Now, let's take a look at 12 famous German politicians who have impacted the country's history. 1. Konrad Adenauer. The first Chancellor of the Federal Republic of Germany, Adenauer is credited with helping to rebuild the country after World War II and laying the foundation for Germany's economic success. 2. Willy Brandt. A Social Democratic Party politician who served as Chancellor in the late 1960s and early 1970s, Brandt is known for his policy of Ostpolitik, which aimed to improve relations with Eastern Europe. 3. Helmut Schmidt. A Social Democratic Party politician who served as Chancellor from 1974 to 1982, Schmidt is remembered for his leadership during the economic crisis of the late 1970s and his commitment to social democracy. 4. Helmut Kohl. A Christian Democratic Union politician who served as Chancellor from 1982 to 1998, Kohl oversaw the reunification of Germany and played a key role in the creation of the European Union. 5. Angela Merkel. The current Chancellor of Germany and the first woman to hold the position, Merkel has been in office since 2005. She is known for her leadership during the European debt crisis and her commitment to multilateralism. 6. Gustav Stresemann. A liberal politician who served as Chancellor in the 1920s, Stresemann played a key role in the Weimar Republic and helped to improve Germany's international relations. 7. Otto von Bismarck. A conservative politician who served as Chancellor in the late 19th century, Bismarck is credited with unifying Germany and laying the foundation for the country's economic and military power. 8. Philipp Scheidmann. A Social Democratic Party politician who served as Chancellor in 1919, Scheidmann is known for his role in the proclamation of the Weimar Republic. 9. Friedrich Ebert. A Social Democratic Party politician who served as President of Germany from 1919 to 1925, Ebert played a key role in the establishment of the Weimar Republic. 10. Ludwig Erhard. A Christian Democratic Union politician who served as Chancellor from 1963 to 1966, Erhard is remembered for his economic policies that helped to create the economic miracle in post-war Germany. 11. Kurt Schumacher. A Social Democratic Party politician who served as the party's chairman in the early post-war years, Schumacher played a key role in rebuilding the party and re-establishing democracy in Germany. 12. Franz Josef Strauss. A Christian Social Union politician who served as Minister-President of Bavaria for more than 20 years, Strauss was a powerful conservative voice in German politics and played a key role in the development of the European Union. In summary, Germany's political system is characterized by a strong democratic tradition, with a focus on individual rights and social welfare. Its parliamentary democracy is built on a complex system of checks and balances, with power distributed among various institutions and actors. Political parties play a vital role in shaping German politics, with the country being home to some of the oldest and most influential political parties in Europe. Despite its past challenges and present-day issues, Germany has established itself as a leader in global politics, playing a crucial role in the European Union and the international community. The country's political system has undergone significant changes and development over the years, shaped by the events of its tumultuous history. From the horrors of World War II to the fall of the Berlin Wall, Germany has emerged as a symbol of resilience, progress, and democracy. As Germany continues to navigate its present and future challenges, it is clear that its political system will continue to evolve and adapt. But with a rich history and strong democratic values at its core, Germany is poised to continue shaping the political landscape of Europe and beyond. Song. Frau Merkel's leadership was strong and true. She led with grace and a calm worldview. Her policies brought stability and growth. Germany's progress under her showed. Chorus. German politics, with its history and pride. Democratic institutions standing side by side. Parties and leaders, shaping the nation's fate. Germany's future, with democracy as its mate. Verse 4. Brandt's Ostpolitik opened the door to a new era in Germany's rapport. Schröder's reforms were bold and grand. A welfare state for a modern land. Chancellor Kohl reunited the East and West. A visionary leader, one of Germany's best. And Adenauer, the first Chancellor of the land, laid the foundation for democracy to stand. Chorus. German politics, with its history and pride. Democratic institutions standing side by side. Parties and leaders, shaping the nation's fate. Germany's future, with democracy as its mate. Verse 5. The Greens and the left, a new left-wing flair. The FDP and AfD, the right's share. The CDU and SPD, the Grand Coalition. Parties and people, a democratic mission. Germany's political system is complex and strong, with checks and balances, and rights for all along. Its people's voices, always heard loud and clear. In a democracy, that's what matters dear. Chorus. German politics, with its history and pride. Democratic institutions standing side by side. Parties and leaders, shaping the nation's fate. Germany's future, with democracy as its mate. Outro. German politics, a system built to last. A democracy, with its roots in the past. Parties and leaders, shaping the nation's fate. Germany's future, with democracy as its mate. Poem. From the days of Holy Roman Empire to modern times of democracy's fire, Germany's politics have been quite a story, full of power, intrigue, and glory. The leaders of this great nation have shaped its course and destination. From Bismarck to Merkel, they've left their mark on Germany's past and future stark. Otto von Bismarck, the Iron Chancellor, unified Germany, and brought balance in power. His realpolitik was admired and feared. His name in history forever revered. The Nazis brought terror and devastation. Hitler's dictatorship brought chaos and damnation. But Adenauer, the first post-war chancellor, helped rebuild the country, and its power enhancer. Brandt's Ostpolitik aimed for reconciliation, aiming for peace with East Germany's population, while Kohl oversaw reunification, making Germany whole, a historic jubilation. Schröder's social reforms made him popular, and Merkel's tenure marked a new era. As first female chancellor, she showed Germany's progress, diversity and future to unfold. From east to west, and north to south, German politics have seen change and growth. And as the nation moves forward in its story, its leaders will continue to shape its glory. ****, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Germany has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Germany, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Hub Metaverse team.